Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another review, yes, the second review of the RZ dust mask that I use on just about every project. So if you guys want to check that out, be sure to stick around. Said we're going to be going over the RZ dust mask. A while back I did a review video on that, and well, that was quite some time ago. Now I've had a considerable amount of time using these masks and I am quite satisfied with them. I'm not an affiliate, I'm not getting paid to make this video unless you follow my Amazon links and purchase the mask through there, then I do that way, but not from RZ Direct. So just kind of wanted to go over you guys with the masks I already have and the new mask I just bought from the company. So the very first mask that I purchased was the M1. This one's pretty warm in the winter. It's a little bit heavier and it's pretty wore out. I've had it for a few years now. It's starting to really stretch out here in the back. This piece is starting to rip. I've definitely gotten my use out of this mask. I've replaced this filter numerous times because that's what these masks are all about. You don't have to buy those white ones and just throw them away, or the rubber band snaps, you use it once and that's it. With these, I'm able to continue to use this filter that's in here over and over again until it's clogged or really dirty. Then I toss it and just put a new one in. RZ sells those replacements, so you jump right online or you jump on Amazon, you purchase them right there. It's a great setup. Most of my videos I have a link to this mask or one of the other ones that they have, because I think everybody should be wearing a dust mask. If you're chainsaw carving, you should put a mask on. The dust is in the air. On top of that, this helps a little bit with those fumes and that exhaust. At least it does for me. When I started chainsaw carving, I didn't wear any mask. Face shield, earmuffs, that whole deal, carve away. And at the end of the day, I was hacking, really dry, sore throat. Next few days I'd be really stuffed up. Since I started wearing the RZ mask when I chainsaw carve, I don't deal with that. Maybe it doesn't filter the exhaust, maybe it just helps deflect it away from my face so I'm not breathing it in. It works for me. Maybe it'll work for you. You know, there's no guarantees, but this is what I use and I really, really like it. Like it so much that I bought the same one again. Now, you've got like these intakes. Well, actually this is where you'd breathe out. So when you breathe in, it's all through here and your filter filters it. This one's pretty dirty. And when you breathe out, it breathes out of these holes, and there's little rubber flaps in here that lift up when you breathe out. And then when you breathe in, they suck shut, forcing you to breathe in through the filter. We've got this other one. This is kind of the mesh style. Can't remember. The other one's the M1. This might be the M2. I don't quite remember. I use this a lot with just my woodworking when I'm at the bench and I'm woodworking. It's a lighter face mask, so I like this one in the summer. It's, like I said, it's that mesh style. So you got like the neoprene and the mesh style. Cooler in the summer, hotter in the summer. Warmer in the winter, colder in the winter. Just keep that in mind. Not everybody grows a beard. Usually women don't have one, so having a little extra something on your face to keep you warm is, you know, a good thing to have. This here is the mask I bought my daughter a while back. She's doing some work in the shop on and off, building some birdhouses and things, and I needed a mask for her. So we got this style. This kind of sets up a little more like the rubber band style, where you got one that can go on top of your head and one behind the neck. And again, all these filters are replaceable. You can also replace these too on all of them. They have all those parts at RZ.com, RZmask.com. Now again, not affiliated. I like this product and just want to recommend it to all of you guys that follow me and who are learning to carve and you make stuff and you got to protect your lungs, and this here's a great way to do that. So the other day I shot an unboxing video of this. You didn't miss it because I never uploaded it. The sound quality was absolutely atrocious, and so I deleted it. So unboxing of this, it won't be the first time it's unboxed, but it'll be the first time we get to go through exactly what's in this box. So this is how it came in the mail. I got a shipping label right here on the front of it. What you get is the box right here with your mask in it. I've also got my receipt and stuff they put right in there. This shipped from Amazon, right? Yeah, I bought this one off Amazon. But you can buy directly from them. If you want to help support me, you can buy it through the links that I have below. I don't know. I think Amazon gives me a really small % on these masks when they sell. But hey, it's something. It shows your support, and I really appreciate that. So you get this little pamphlet in here from RZ. Says, world's most comfortable air filtration mask. Filters up to 99.9% of all dust and particulates from the air. Comfortable and reusable, smoke, dust, allergens, and organic materials. Here they give you a little bit of a breakdown, kind of how the filter's on there. Now, I'm not going to read this entire thing, but we're going to go over just a little bit of it. Oh, so I was right. The M2 is the mesh mask. That is this one with the straps for the back of the head. I like those second most. I like that neoprene the best, though. And the M25 is this one with the straps. They call the industrial straps. I don't know. I don't care for that style because I don't like them being on top of my head, but some of you may like that, and that's an option for you. So when you look on here, it's got filters. We got the F1, which is active carbon filter. Complies with Noise N99 filter efficiency standards. Features active carbon filtration layer. Shipped with all RZ masks. Replaceable filters. Retail for $6.95 for a 3-pack. These are their words. You got some other information about it, but we're not going to go through it all. The F2, high flow electrostatic filter. Economical non-active carbon filter. 40% better breathability than the F1 filter. Replaceable filters retail for $9.95 for a 3-pack. And then you've got the F3 filter, high flow electrostatic active carbon filter. Features active carbon filtration layer, 40% better breathability than the F1 filter. Replaceable filters retail for $12.95 for a 3-pack. So that gives you guys an idea of what replacement filters look like. Now I know, all right, $10, $12, $5 for 3 filters. You kidding me? They last a while. They really do. They last a while. Again, you don't have to worry about that rubber band breaking on the back like those white masks, because that breaks. And what do? You throw it out, even though it's not technically used up. You got what, 5 minutes in it, the rubber band broke, you tossed it, and you go grab another one, right? With this, they last longer. They really do. When I'm carving, I might go through, I don't know, 3 masks a year, maybe less. Kind of just depends on what I'm doing, and if I'm alternating which masks, I'm using out there and those sort of things. So keep that in mind. I think the mask that I purchased was right around that $30 range for this one, the M1 model. I know I'm talking kind of quick. Just wanted to make this a quick video going over this with you guys. So just going through everything really, really fast. All right, so I dumped the contents out. Just had some tags on there I cut off. The silica bead packets, don't eat them. Not good for you. But you get this pouch. When everything originally comes to you, I don't think anything was in the pouch. Everything's just stuffed in that box. Little clip here. I use these to hang them on nails in the shop. And I keep all the filters in one of these bags hanging over on my wall, just so they're together and I'm not losing anything. So empty out these contents. We have an extension strap, piece of Velcro in case you got a bigger head or a bigger neck. It'll reach a little bit farther, around the back of your head for comfortability. Get a cool RZ mask sticker. I really need to find a spot to start putting stickers. I really do. Like something back here, but I got so much crap in the shop. Who knows? You get a help a friend, share the clean air card, and a code for their first order. Now, I can't share this with you. This is a one-time use card. Probably going to give it to a buddy of mine because he uses these masks as well. Maybe my dad even. And yeah, so I can't share the code that comes on this. Got to keep that private. Let's see what else we got before we get to the mask. I'll give you another little user guide, kind of walk you through the filters, the best way to use the mask. And finally, the mask itself and a filter. This is the F1 large standard active filter. And which one's on it? I believe, yeah, it's the same one that comes on it. So you get 2 filters in the kit that I bought. I think I've shared some where they're more like you get 3 filters and there's different kits. So I'll share a bunch of different kits. There's also, before I get to the mask, there's also a medium, large, and extra large size. They might have a small, it's just not on the box. I can't remember. I'll try to put sizes up on there and some different stuff you guys to choose from up there. Down below in the description under Amazon links. And you guys will find them all there. So in the other masks, we kind of went through, you know, the filters already. You know, how it works. They come in here. Something we haven't done is how do you change the filter? It can be a little tricky sometimes. You got to grasp this plastic piece with your fingers. Come in here. There's these buttons, kind of tough to see right here. You got to pinch that, hold this outer one, and twist. And it just comes right apart. This piece pulls out from the inside, and you do it on the other side, and you swap your filters. Really, really easy. I'm not going through the whole process because I don't want to put it back together. I'm feeling kind of lazy. I'm sorry. You guys get it, though. You guys can mess around with it. Here's that little rubber piece. Keeps the dust from being sucked right into your lungs. I will say you've got to clean those up sometimes. If you're doing a lot of sanding, a lot of carving, every once in a while, you need to pull these little plastic pieces off and wash them. You know, just some warm soapy water, let them dry, put the whole thing back together. If you buy one, you'll see what I mean. They start to get build up. You know, all the dust is coming to that, and it just stops there and builds up. If you don't clean it, you have the possibility for failure, which means you're going to be sucking the dust right in before the filter. So just keep that in mind. I deal with that with my masks. I'd show you, I don't think you can really see that, but you get dust buildup right inside there. And I just scrub mine down with an old toothbrush and they're good to go. So brand new mask. You get this cool nose clip that works really well. Cool. I don't know why I said cool, but pinch it down around your nose, whatever for comfortability. Velcro on the back. Come with these pads so everything isn't stuck to your Velcro. That's kind of it, guys. Just basic RZ mask, you know. It's not basic. It's actually a really cool product. And I recommend it if you guys are carving, woodworking, cleaning, whatever. This thing is well worth the money, in my opinion. How about I throw this thing on quick? You guys can just kind of see. Don't mind, I got the cool dude hair going today. It's all over the place. Right up like that, and then it Velcros in the back. I never took the piece off so it's not sticking. Now there's times obviously I always wear my glasses and they tend to sit right on the bridge. Goes below the ears. Beard sticks out. I pull it pretty tight so it's pretty snug up around the beard. Oh, it is staying. And it works pretty well. Now, I've had people in the past, don't your glasses fog up? Yep, they do. Sometimes, not always. Really damp days, rainy days, when the temperature is just right. Not so much in the summer, but like in the fall or the spring where it's kind of chilly and damp, they'll fog up. They tend to do that anyway. The mask can add to it. If the piece on your nose piece here, your bridge piece is on right though, they don't do it as much. And when the filters are new, they don't do it as much because this foam piece here that's on the filter kind of helps deflect your breath down and out those ports on the side, these ports. So they help quite a bit with the fogging, but it's not a guarantee, guys. You know, if you got glasses like me, it's something that we struggle with, something you deal with. I think this mask works a bit better with that than those white throwaways, quite a bit better. Because again, it filters your breath down and out here away from you. So when you breathe, it's like this instead of up over your whole face. Yeah, for what it is, you wear glasses. Sometimes we gotta just deal with those things. But that is pretty much it. That's all I've got. I really, really like this product. I hope you guys will check it out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.